So we read The Postmaster by Rabindranath Tagore, and now we are going to talk about some vocabulary in that reading. And I have identified some words or vocabulary, and we will talk about the spelling, the part of speech of that word, and how to pronounce that word and the meaning of the word. And now we can all do those things by just searching online or looking up words. But there might be some people who are better equipped, or they learn well by listening instead of actually reading. So I have picked out some words, and it might be for an advanced level of English speakers, but I would say that any reading that you do, you have to sometimes just try to read the whole text and try to understand the meaning of that text. Suppose you read a sentence and then you have to understand that sentence in that context of what they're actually speaking about, because based on context some of the words' meaning might change. So the first word is humble. It's spelled as Humble, humble, and it's an adjective, and the pronunciation of this word is humble, and meaning is having or showing a modest or low estimate of one's importance, that you are modest and you are holding a low estimate of yourself. The second word is indigo. So in this context, it's indigo is a noun, part of speech is noun, and spelling is INDIGO. And it means a dark blue color. Next is thatched. Here, thatched is an adjective, or it can be a verb, but for a thatched hut, it is an adjective. And thatched spelling is THATCHED as an adjective, or if it's just verb and just thatch, then THATCH. And it's pronounced as thatched with ED, or just thatch without ED in the end. And the meaning is some sort of a cover or roof of a building that's built or made with straw or similar kind of material. Next is scummed. Based on the reading, the spelling is SCUMMED, scummed, as in scummed weeds. So if it's just scum, then it would mean something completely different based on this reading and the spelling, which is SCUMMED. It is a verb, and the pronunciation is scummed and it's a liquid becoming covered with layer of dirt or froth. The next word is arrogant. ARROGANT, arrogant. And it is an adjective, and it means that they're claiming themselves as superior than others, or giving themselves too much self-importance or entitlement. The next word is bliss, which is, the spelling is BLISS. It's a noun. It's pronounced as bliss, and the meaning is supreme happiness, joy, or contentment. After that, we have well-bred. Well-bred, the spelling is WELLBRED. The part of speech is adjective. The meaning is that someone is well brought up in behavior or manners. After that, we have meager. The spelling is MEAGRE, meager, pronounced as meager. It's an adjective for the part of speech. It means that deficient or low in amount or quality. The next word is great. The spelling is GRATE. In this context of this reading, and it's pronounced as great. It's a noun. It's a frame of metal bars for holding fuel when burning. The next word is intoxicated. Spelling is INTOXICATED, intoxicated. The part of speech is adjective, and it means affected by some kind of substance. Example, drinking or drugs. The next word is raucous. Spelling is RAUCOUS. Pronunciation raucous. It's an adjective. Meaning is being harsh or rowdy or disorderly. After that, we have a symbol based on this reading. Spelling is CYMBAL. In this context, it's a noun for part of speech. It means a plate of brass or bronze that produces sharp ringing sound. The next word is abrupt. ABRUPT, abrupt. And it's an adjective for part of speech. It means sudden or unexpected. After that, we have exile. EXILE, exile. And for part of speech, it's a noun. It means prolonged separation from one's country or home based on circumstance. The next word is monotonous. Spelling is monotonous, pronounced as monotonous. Part of speech is adjective. It means lacking in variety. The next word is conjunct. Spelling is conjunct, conjunct. It's an adjective for part of speech. It means combined or united, as in grammar, like conjunction, which is part of grammar. The next word is torrential. Spelling is torrential, torrential. It's an adjective. It's associated with nature, like torrential rain. Torrential means that it's overwhelming or rapid. After that, we have convalescent. Spelling is convalescent, pronounced convalescent. It's an adjective. It means gradual recovery of health and strength after illness. After that, we have anguish. Spelling is anguish, anguish. Part of speech is noun. It means distress, suffering, or pain. The next word is copious. Spelling is copious, copious. And it means large quantity or number. The last word of the day is delusion. delusion. For the spelling, the part of speech is noun. It's pronounced as delusion, and it means having false belief. So, lastly, I have not been able to talk about all of the words that might be difficult for beginner, intermediate, or advanced level of English speakers, but I have identified some. As we keep reading more and more, our vocabulary and knowledge increases, and our scope to use a variety of words instead of having a limited knowledge of vocabulary. So I hope that you keep reading, and with more and more reading, you will gradually gain more and more knowledge of vocabulary and words.